The Amazon rainforest's absolute location is mainly in Brazil, but smaller parts exist in Venezuela, Colombia, French Guiana, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, and Suriname. The latitude is 3.16 south, and longitude is 60.03 west. The Amazon jungle is a moist, broadleaf forest that covers almost all of the Amazon basin in South America. The basin consists of 1.7 billion acres. 1.4 billion acres is rainforest. The rainforest covers 9 nations. The Amazon rainforest represents more than half of the planet's remaining rainforests. It is the largest and has the most species on the planet. Day after day, the rainforest trees get cut down and natural resources decrease, so deforestation has occurred immensely. The Amazon rainforest climate is usually tropical and is also known as an equatorial climate, found exactly 12 degrees to the north and south of the equator. The humidity in the rainforest seems to be a struggle to the fact that it gives a feeling of lack of air. The rainfall is decreasing massively since of deforestation. Deforestation is the clearing of forests or trees. Fire and droughts are the biggest threats to the forest. There are several different types of animals in the Amazon rainforest, one of them being the sloth. They're slow so no predator can see them. The algae grows on them, making them green, so they can easily blend into the trees. They have long arms for swimming, and they have long claws to help them hang on to the trees. This is a spider monkey. They have long, powerful tails that they use as extra limb to swing from branches and lianas. They live up in the canopy where they can find lots of fruits to eat, which animals on the ground are unable to reach. This is a toucan. One of the adaptations of a toucan is its beak. Its beak helps them eat food, which helps them survive. The claws on their legs help them stand in the trees. The color of its feathers change to blend in with the surroundings. This is a jaguar. They are found in habitats near water for resources. They have an extremely strong jaw and powerful canine teeth, which enables them to kill large animals swiftly, often with a single bite. They are also good swimmers and climbers.
The cocoa plant. The cocoa tree grows in the shade of other trees in order not to dry out from the sun. The orchid plant. Roots are used as holdfast and can absorb moisture from the air. The plants are used to alternating wet and dry seasons. The stems are adapted to retain water for the dry season. White trillium. It has big leaves so that while it's under all of the tree, it can get the sun it needs. It gives out a certain odor to keep away enemies. Ferns. There are a few firm adaptations. One of the most important is the rhizome. The stem grows horizontally to make the development a lot easier. Another adaptation is the compound leaves. This gives them more area. Symbiotic relationship. Mutualism. Sloth hairs are growth which allows the algae to easily take hold and grow on the sloth's fur. This camouflages the sloth and allows the algae to get closer to the sunlight. Endangered species. Some endangered species are jaguars, gorillas, and manatees.
Negative human impacts of the Amazon are cutting down trees for more land and using the timber to create housing. This destroys habitats in the process. Another negative impact is when the soil on clean land erodes. More soil is washed into the river, and this affects the water. The river sits up, increasing the likelihood of flooding in low-lying areas, leading to pollution. Conservation efforts. Brazil anti-deforestation plan would increase federal patrols in the rainforest, replace trees that were lost, and finance sustainable development projects to offer viable work alternatives in areas where illegal lodging is currently a major source of income. Facts. The Amazon rainforest covers an area of 2.5 million square miles. It's the largest tropical rainforest in the world. 20% of the oxygen is produced in the Amazon. It has 500 varieties of mammals and 300 species of reptiles.